it moving? I feel dizzy. Jack. I'm sorry, Jack. I did not mean to do that. I'm so sorry. Well, oh my gosh, guys, watch this. Give me 5. Oh my gosh, guys, that is cool. You've got to admit, you know that is cool. Go ahead and smash that like button, please. And if you want to see me do anything, just comment. I mean, I like my hair. I've grown out my hair, guys, and I think it looks pretty cool. And I know you guys are going to say, it looks horrible. But that's my opinion. I mean, you guys can think it whatever you want. I'm sorry for blaming you guys. That is so cool, guys. Because I'm in charge of Jack. Well, I'm his alpha. I mean, because I'm stronger than him and bigger and stronger than him. Well, I'm his alpha because he obeys me. Because I pet him and I feed him and so. And yeah, so I'm like his alpha and that's. I'll do it again, guys. I'll do it again. I'm sorry. Oh, guys. I'm gonna say something right now. I don't. It's gonna be weird. I mean, every time I go to a video, my voice sounds so high. But I mean, my voice used to be so high, but now it's deeper, and I'm so excited. I mean, I sound like this. I sound like I would talk so high. That just sounds annoying. I'm so sorry, guys, but it was just a lot higher. But now it's better. I look weird. I mean, I look like, when I do this, I look like I'm 5, or I don't look attractive. But I look attractive now. I'm joking. I have chubby cheeks. I'm just joking, guys. I'm joking. It's not funny, I know. I'm so sorry. And why are you even watching this video? If you got this far, thank you so much. I'll give you a shout out and put it in the comments below. I'm so sorry I just said that, guys. I'm so sorry. I mean, what am I even doing? I don't know why either. Right now I'm petting Jack. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do it right now. Sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. Please forgive me. Okay, where's Jack's head? Okay. Is it this way? Okay. Oh! 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 Oh, wait. No, my brother's in here. Grant, what are you doing? Huh? Get in my room. I'm making a video. Sorry, guys. My brother ruined it. Okay, Jack. I don't think I can touch him. Oh! 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 Do it. Oh! 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 Oh, well, he's not doing it anymore. I'm sorry. Well, I have an awesome cat voice. But if you want to hear my cat voice or any other voices, you have to like this video. I mean, you don't have to, but well, I'm going to do something. I'm going to blackmail you all because I'm so mean. I do look better in the mirror than in the camera. You guys can't see it because it's still in the camera. I forgot what I said. This isn't live streaming, so I forgot. If this video gets 2 likes, 2, no, 1 like, you guys are like, 1 like? Huh, who are you? A chicken? No, I'm not a chicken. The real people are like, I didn't even say that, so like, oh my gosh. And then the real people are like, I don't even talk like that. And real people are like, I don't even talk. And never mind, I'm sorry. If we get 1 like, then I'll make another animal voice. Yeah. Guys, this looks so weird. I mean, no, like if I put it in my stomach. No, watch this. Wait, no, what was I doing? should do it like this. Peekaboo. No. So, yeah. If we get 1 like, I know this video isn't that cool. Because I've been doing random stuff, insane stuff, but I at least saw that part. I'm repeating stuff because I'm forgetting stuff. So yeah, 1 like, just 1, and you can get 1 like, guys. Come on, 1 like. But I know you guys would be like, 1 like, that's your goal? And I'm like, oh, yes, it is my goal. Do you have a problem, sir? Huh? And you guys are like, no, I do not have a problem, okay? And then I'm like, and then they guys are like, meow? I don't know. I'm just going along with whatever this is. Oh, I just did my hair. I messed it up. No. I'm a chicken. Meow. Meow. Chickens tell meow. Oh no, I made it worse. Whatever, sorry. Hello. I know, I am weird. I mean, no, I'm not weird. I mean, this seems weird. Because it is weird.
Yes, it is very much.
I know. But I'm not weird. Wait, am I? Whoa. Wait, guys, watch this. Oh, I can just do this. Oh. Oh, I can just adjust the brightness though. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, guys. If you're watching right here until this moment, I mean, wait, I know why people cut their video. Okay, I'm gonna cut my video. Hold on. Wait, hold on, guys. Action! I mean, cut! Take 5. Cut. Whatever. Oh, guys, I want 1 like and then I'll do another one. So bye.